Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to set up Face Unlock on Redmi A5. To do this, you have just to go to Settings, and after that, scroll down a little bit until you find Security and Privacy. Go to Device Unlock, and after that go to Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Enter your PIN code, confirm, and after that go and click on the first option, Face Unlock. And after that I will delete my face model because I already set this up. So I will now set up again the Face Unlock. So click on Setup Face Unlock and click on I agree. And after that, click on Start. And as you can see, it tells me that all set. So I added my Face Unlock to the device. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.